Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Narkire. I'm from Anuradha Engineering College from IT department. Today, I'm going to deliver my project. My project title is Waste Management System for Automatic Alert of Filling of Dustbin using IoT. Project members are Vipan Bhanuse, Raksha Arak, and Punam Wankhede. These are the contents of my project. That is introduction, literature survey, key features, benefits of smart city, different modules, hardware specification, limitations, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion. Introduction. A smart city is a city development to manage multiple information and communication technology in order to make a solution for any problem in the city. Smart city includes many information such as local department information system, hospital, law, traffic system, waste management, and other city services. The goal of a smart city is to improve an efficiency of services and connect all information into one system. Nowadays, development of ICT, especially Internet of Things, allows the city to be developed into a smart city. The aforementioned concept is being realized through the use of real-time systems and sensors. Data are collected from citizens and objects, then processed in real time, and finally, the gathered information and related knowledge are becoming the keys to tracking and efficiency. IoT. The term IoT stands for Internet of Things, refers to a wireless connection between objects, which enables the internet reach out into the real world of the physical objects. IoT supports any device, anybody can access it, any services and any business we can use it, any path, any network. There is no restrictions of place and location. Anytime we can use it. Then uh, IoT is not supported by human to human, also not supported by human to machine, uh, but it is supported by machine to machine. The IoT is a scenario in which objects, animal or people are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over network without needing a human to human or human to machine interaction. Literature survey. Title is IoT based smart garbage system for efficient food waste management. It was published by Scientific World Journal. The title was second title was ALMANAC, Internet of Things for Smart Cities. That was published by IEEE. Key features. Over to Nutan.
Key features. It knows the field level of the containers at all times. It cut the service cost by the up to the 50%. It provide a world-class service. It reduce the organization carbon footprint. Ultrasonic and infrared field level geolocation means GPS. Eliminate over filling by the collecting before it could arise. It sends optimized routes directly to the drivers. The Arduino chipset and all the other sensors were weightless than 300 gram and easily mounted to any container. The ultrasonic sensor measures up to the 7.5 mm in depth. The full management of a container assist and generating smart routes for the drivers. Whenever the waste bin gets filled, this is acknowledged by the placing the circuit at the waste bin. The signal is transmitted to the receiver at the desired place in area. There are three different modules. There are three types of different module. First one is administrator module. Second one is a municipal authority module, and third one is a garbage collector driver module. First one is the administrator module. It is used by main administrator. It is single user. It control all the functionalities and it controls the permission of a different user. It can also be provide access to new users in the other modules. Second one is a municipal authority module. It is used by the authority of a municipal corporation. It can view the GUI based level of a garbage in the dustbin. It can be view the map view status of the dustbin, can view dustbin detail. Uh, dustbin ID, threshold value, location, etc. It can view the details of all drivers located in their area. It can update the dustbin and drivers detail. Third one is a garbage collector driver module. It is used by the driver on their smartphones. It can view the map view status of the dustbin, can view the dustbin details, dustbin ID, threshold, location, inform inform through text message when threshold limit exceed.
And
Next part hand over to Vaishnavi.
uh, optimized route and unoptimized route. We see first of the unoptimized route. In an unoptimized route, the driver collects does garbage from every dustbin. That is a waste of time and also the energy. So solution for that, we took optimized route. Means it means that the dustbin is pulled over to the threshold value. Then the driver collect the garbage from that dustbin and throws to the dumping land. It saves the time and energy also. This is the login page for logging in to the application. There are two slots. First is admin slot and second is staff slot. It includes username and password. If the user entered uh, correct in username and password, then it get login inside to the system. This is the area view. It means that how the dustbin placed and uh, indication of the dustbins. Uh, there are three types of dustbin placed. First is red, second one is green, and third one is yellow. Mostly the red dustbins are kept. So and each dustbin contains three label. That is first is dustbin ID, second is status, third is staff name. Dustbin ID is uniquely provided to each dustbin. Then status of the dustbin with the threshold value at which level the dustbin is filled. Third is staff name, means which staff is going to collect the garbage from which dustbin. It is a it is a DFD diagrams. It means the shows the working of this model, that is administrator and staff. First, administrator or staff sends the request to the IoT-based web system process. Then the request is forwarded to the server database. Then at server database, it get confirmed and sent back to the IoT-based web system process. It is a detailed view of that first diagram. Arduino ID, Arduino. It unders in it is the hardware used in our project. This is an ultrasonic sensor used to send the sensors send the signals to the uh, system. Our Arduino IDE inside Arduino IDE, it's an open source IDE. It contains a text editor for writing code, a message area, a text console, and many other useful functions that makes it easy to write code and upload to it the board. It runs on Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. In by using Arduino IDE, we made a programs of our project. That is, there are three programs are there. First is for sending the message. The second is for sending the notification. Third is for notification that dustbin is filled at which level. Benefits of smart city. Over to Raksha.
Benefits for a smart city. The initial goal is to try in one city, then replicate to multiple cities. Then second benefit is the product is designed using most open source components, thereby any city can scale it up to manufacture in large volume. Third one is the system will have its own business model to create the sustainable revenue. For the cost of Arduino chipset.
Limitations. Limitations. Availability of the resources. The setup of a project requires an Arduino chipset, Wi-Fi model, ultrasonic sensors, and other hardware are needed. Second one is trial and testing of the project requires specific environment and labs equipped with proper facilities. Implementation of the project requires prescriptive regulations to be legally and operationally affordable. Scope of the project. The project can be implemented only in the metropolitan cities and some tier tier second cities, smart towns and tier 3 cities are out of the bound as technical feasibility is not possible. Effective management of human resources, skilled and trained people are required to operate the whole mechanism. Advantages. Advantages.
Advantages.
Reduce the cost and complexity of the edge device. Gateway can act as a hub for things with a different data standard and wireless protocol that provide a uniform face to the device, and then easy to control and monitor as the whole system is a centralized. Gateway can control what data to be sent the internet and provide information security convenient to the link legacy equipment into the IoT. And then disadvantage. One of more tier will add a higher complexity in the integration. Resource still reside locally comparing with using cloud technology. As the system is centralized, failure of a control hub will bring down the network. And disposal of e-waste generate toxic substance which is harmful to both environment and humans. Implementing the system uh, on a broad level will require a lot resource both financially and technically. And then conclusion. First conclusion, the system can collect accurate data on a real time, which can be used further as an input to the management system with load cell calibration approach. It simplifies the calibration process. So it can be attached to commonly used waste bin without change modification. The level sensors can be attached conventional waste management infrastructure. We started from a smart waste bin by using network in environment the real-time accurate data from the implement system. Cloud be used for the efficient solid waste management system.
This is the program of our project. Our first program is for waste level sensing. That means it shows the how it shows the level of dustbin which is filled. These are the header files. Defined trick pin 12 and defined eco pin 13. This is a void setup, void loop. These are the methods. It shows the functionality of the project. In that serial begin 9600. It is used for the port connect. Trick pin, it's for output, and eco pin is the input. Int max is used to consider as a height of the garbage, that is 80 centimeter. And here the delay microseconds is 2. Digital write is microseconds is 10. And for trick pin low, this is pulse in, eco pin and high. Distance is duration by 2, that is 29.1. Then max dot distance, it is for different variable tell you that how much the garbage bin is left to fill. And it is for the it is the messages that sends to the mobile phone, that is garbage bin is full, garbage bin is filled, and it shows the percentage of the bin. Then let's see the second program. Second program is second program is used for message sending. That is here as in last program we use the soft begin. Here we use software serial begin. It is for port connecting. The my serial begin is used for the setting the baud rate of the GSM module. Int max, it is considered as a height of the garbage, that is dustbin. Then max is used for the different variable, tells you that how much the garbage bin is filled or left. Then pers is a percentage. It shows the percentage of the dustbin, that how much percentage the garbage bin is filled, and the message is sent to a mobile through the text message uh, or the by using email. When the garbage bin is filled more than 90%, then this error message will display, that is garbage bin is full. And the last send message is a function used for the sending the message. Let's see the third program. Third program is used for the shortest path algorithm. These are the header files, that is Studio H, Studio B, H, Infinity 999. These are the port. These are the port numbers and distance and cost of this. And these are the printing statements, which shows here we need to enter the source text, vertex. Here we need to enter active nodes, and then it counts